The 700 Club. The 700 Club. Donny and Marie. Premiered 1976. The Today Show. Premiered 1952. More The Today Show. The Best Today Show hosts 6 of 34 the best current daytime TV shows, 9 of 55 the best daytime TV shows. Meet the Press. Premiered 1947. Good Morning America. Premiered 1975. America Tonight. Premiered 1978. Morton Downey Jr. Show. Face the Nation. Premiered 1954. The Des O'Connor Show. Premiered 1963. The Late Late Show. Premiered 1962. Firing Line. Premiered 1966. Washington Week. 20/20. Sports Center. Sports Center. The Jackie Gleason Show. American Bandstand. American Bandstand. The Phil Donahue Show. Tonight starring Steve Allen. The Flip Willson Show. The Flip Willson Show. The Mike Douglas Show. Premiered 1961. The Dean Martin Show. Premiered 1965. The Merv Griffin Show. The Dick Cavett Show. The Dick Cavett Show. The Tonight Show starring Johnny Carson. The Tonight Show starring Johnny Carson.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.